Hello, Jamie Goode here. I'm in the vineyards of Sherry. I'm actually in Hidalgo La Gitana's La Cuadrado vineyard. It's one of their best vineyards. And the grapes are on the vine. They're ready to be picked. Harvest starts for them today. But in the region, harvest started on 29th of July, making it the earliest harvest on record. Although today it's mercifully a bit cooler and a bit overcast, ideal conditions for picking grapes.
Is this plant? You don't see this anywhere else in the region.
What do we have here?
La Gitana and Rama employees cask.
Fantastic. So this is
The better among the good, the better. Vale. Well, this is our cooperage. It's not big, it's not high-tech, it's traditional.
Hi, Jamie, sorry, one and only.
Very few.
Oh, what a very few, sorry.
And for example,
Why is it important to have your own vineyards? Because you don't
está en la playa y lo único que however is doing in the place where the problem.
Yeah.
We try to repair it here
Okay.
because if I have a leak here and I cannot repair it here, I have to first take out the wine of these two, take out the wine of those three, take out the wine of those four, and then take out the cask. For the next 20 years.
Oh, okay.
They can repair at least one, usually two casks per day. And they cost me 80 euros. So we could increase with our own vineyard, and suddenly we La Gitana Vintage 2017 and 45. Here you go.
The singular. You just need to think.
Of man or people, interaction of people and
place and surroundings, and it's classic, you know. Some of them are really cheap as well. What's cheap?
Yes, no, I know, but is it wanting it to come out here? Is that the ultimate objective? No, I think it's wanting it to come out.
I've tried various points over my life to